made for performance cars. Stinger VIP is the best we have ever developed. Top-level performance with the most refined radar, laser and GPS-based protection, and the most invisible laser receivers. Experience target view screens, and you will never have to wonder where exactly those speed traps are. It shows where the radar comes from ahead, the side, or the rear, if laser is shot at you from ahead or behind, and has a proximity indicator for GPS-based spot alerts. Dynamic sensitivity adds extra sensitivity right when you need it, at higher driving speeds. VIP has by far the highest accuracy available in speed trap protection. It takes measurement certainty to the extreme, with a precision of 0.0001 gigahertz. For true driving freedom, performance cars need Stinger VIP. Stinger. Driving freedom.